Good morning, team. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys know, today is Monday morning. I already went out and put some posts on my Patreon. If you guys like, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I gave about maybe about 6 stocks picks for option weekly call, and you could take it as a regular stock as well. So today, let's go ahead and break down. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm Mr. Full Profit, and what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna go ahead and look at the market to see what's going on. Okay. So right now, the market is uncertain. It's positive, and the Nasdaq is negative 28 down, 14%, 0.14% down, and the Dow Jones is about 0.06%. Okay, so we haven't seen any major news that came in. Okay, so now let's look at the earnings. It's kind of important that we pay attention to the earnings today. What do we have today that's going to be important? Okay, as now we have Fenviz, Fenviz.com. If you look at my previous video, I have a breakdown how to get to Fenviz. Once you get to Fenviz.com, you go to screener and you select the date. Okay, the date. So right now, what we have here for today is about we have about 37 total stocks. Okay, that's ready. Let me see, what do we have here that's really popular. So what I usually do, I usually scroll up and down to see which one. Okay, nothing major. Okay, nothing major today for earning. I believe tomorrow is gonna be a better day for earnings. Let me see what we have. We have Bank United tomorrow, which is okay. GPC. What I usually do, I look for stocks that moves, that people talk about. It's important that you go after stock that's making name out there. You don't want to trade something that's not moving, especially when it comes to options. Okay. Okay, we have Verizon that's gonna do a little. That's gonna give their earning tomorrow, and we have TXN. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with TXN Instruments. But we also have Coin. That's not earning, but okay, TXN. From what I'm seeing here, TXN is in a down position. It's below the 50 moving average, simple as it is. And if you look at the weekly chart also showing you that it's on a downturn. But again, earning could do anything. Earning is related to revenue and guidance. It's two things that's involved when it comes to earning: revenue and guidance, team. So revenue could be good. If guidance is not correct, then the stock would think. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and break down on one stock, SMCI. Not SMCI. MSTR. I meant. Let's look at MSTR. Beautiful. Yesterday, last Friday, it did a bullish pull, broke above. That's wonderful. So as you guys could see, all those we have to pay attention to, definitely MSTR, and also we have Bitcoin. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Sorry about that. Bitcoin. It's all bullish. Like I said last week, Bitcoin looked kind of bullish. There is no surprise, team. Right now it's down negative 643. Yesterday it was up. Okay, so now what we're gonna do with Bitcoin, what we are trying to see here, we are trying to see for pullback on top of the green and bounce back. So we need Bitcoin to go ahead and go above 69,589 for new upside. Okay, so Bitcoin again needs to. There's so many resistance around that area, around 70. Around, as a matter of fact, it was around 68. it's around 68. Well, right now Bitcoin, now 1 second, I'm sorry. 71, there's a major resistance at 71, close to 72,000. So once we break above that, I believe that we might have a chance of keep running. Okay, that's Bitcoin. So team, again, there is a lot of stock that's doing some great move. Let's look at UPS. UPS is is trying to go up. That's a good stock as well for long term. Long term, it has a gap to fill. And also we have FedEx. As you guys can see, we already marked it. It has a gap to fill as well. As a matter of fact, FedEx and UPS, let me go ahead and pull my, let's look at FDX. Quick breakdown, team. Be patient, like you can see, pull back. Wonderful, is above the 50 moving average. It has room to keep running. So that's wonderful on that. For some kind of reason, oh, that's the weekly chart. Let's look at the daily chart. Okay, sorry about that. This is the daily chart. Team, like we mentioned before, whenever FedEx, if you look at the previous pattern, whenever it has a gap, the only difference is it might take 2-3 months for upside. It takes a while. Whenever it has a drop, as you can see, repeat, it might take 2-3 months. Okay, so again, those I would trade on stocks. Okay, unless you have big capital to trade option, you could take it way out. As you can see, after that drop, it takes about 2-3 months and it ran. Okay, so again, thank you so much. We're gonna go ahead and close the quick chat here. Again, go to my Patreon. I have about 6 more stocks that I gave in my Patreon. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and you'll be able to enjoy the new profit as well. All right, thank you so much, and have a good one. I'm Mr. Full Profit. Thank you.